Hi everyone, welcome to 4C Crown of Glory. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing because I'm on a natural hair growth journey. On here I do my research about natural things that I can use to grow my hair on a monthly basis. Whether you have type 1 all the way to 4C, this channel may be able to help you grow your hair just like mine. And you are more than welcome to joining the journey with me. As from the title, you know what this video is about. And without further ado, let's get started. So for this month's challenge, I will be using sweet almond oil and peppermint oil. If you've been subscribed to my channel and watching my videos, you know that I am always researching different ways to grow my hair. So what I researched was peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is just amazing for your hair. I was reading up on a study that included peppermint oil, jojoba oil, saline, and minoxidil or Rogaine. And basically, the study showed that peppermint oil, out of everything else, grew hair more rapidly within 4 weeks. As you may know, peppermint oil is a great antimicrobial and a great antifungal. And peppermint oil also helps stimulate circulation and hence increasing hair growth. But being that peppermint oil can be very, very strong, I chose to mix it with the carrier oil. And the carrier oil is basically an oil that you mix essential oils with. Carrier oils help dilute essential oils, and they also carry essential oils onto the skin. The carrier oil that I decided to use was sweet almond oil, and why I chose sweet almond oil is because it's what I already have, and it is packed with vitamin D and vitamin E. And sweet almond oil is also known to aid in hair growth, and it's also known to strengthen hair as well. So all in all, this is why I chose to use both peppermint oil and sweet almond oil. I'm gonna be using this for 30 days, and just like my previous video, I'm expecting some real good results. If you haven't already, go check out my DHT blocking hair growth challenge to see my amazing results. Let me show you all how I'm gonna mix the oils. This is the almond oil that I decided to use. It is non-GMO. And this is the peppermint oil that I decided to use. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Some of the words or lettering is already rubbed off. But this one is from India. But you can use any organic peppermint oil of your choice. I just had a regular applicator bottle leftovers from a product that I had from before, and I filled it up halfway with the sweet almond oil. And to that, I'm just gonna add the peppermint oil. Mix that around a little bit. And this is gonna be my hair oil for 30 days. I'm gonna try and use this every single day. If not every day, every other day. And obviously with any challenge that I do, you know I have to measure my hair first. So let's get started with that. And all of you in the natural hair community, I wish somebody would have told me about flax seeds. I bought some flax seeds, I mixed it with a little bit of water, put it on the stove to boil, and I made flaxseed gel. I want you guys to look at this hole on my edges. Like, I was so surprised. This is a much healthier alternative to regular hair gel. Flaxseed gel, can you imagine? I have no idea. I will never buy regular hair gel again. So let me show you guys my hair. It is freshly washed, and my Jamaican mom always called these Chinese bumps or China bumps. I think you guys call it Bantu knots here. But yeah, I just washed my hair. I make sure to detangle. It's already moisturized using the LCO method. So all I have left to do is apply this to my scalp. But before I do that, I want to start off measuring my hair. Yesterday I measured my hair after I completed the DHT challenge, and my hair grew a whole inch. I started at 6 inches, ended with 7, so I'm gonna remeasure again just for the sake of this video. And I'm gonna measure different parts of my hair this time. And I'm just gonna unravel each side and measure each side and get like a rough measurement for my hair. Guys, look at this moisture. I'm gonna measure the back first. I'm gonna try and stretch my hair as much as I can. And now that my hair is out, it's probably gonna be a different measurement from when I did the DHT method, because when I did the DHT method, my hair was braided. So now that it's not braided and more loose, I can stretch it more. as you can see, the tip of my hair is at 10 inches. I did not even know my hair was 10 inches. Braids are very deceiving because you can't get the total length of your hair. So now I'm gonna move on to the side, to my right side. Just gonna finger detangle. The side is measuring 11 and a half. Let me do that again. Yeah, it's measuring 11 and a half. I'm in kind of like shock or disbelief, so I keep doing it over and over again. It's past the 11 and I'm still pulling. So yeah, the side of my hair is 11 and a half. I thought the back of my hair was longer than the side of my hair. So that is surprising to me. I feel like up here is my problem area. Like that part doesn't grow as long as the rest of the sections of my hair. So the very tip is still past 11. I guess it is growing the same length as the rest of my hair. I guess it just seems shorter because it's higher up. So maybe that's what it is. This is the left side of my hair. It is at 10 and a half. So I say this is more of an accurate way to measure my hair, only because my hair is stretched after I put it into the Bantu knot. It's so hard to measure natural coily hair because you gotta stretch it out, and I wanna get an accurate measurement. All right, so this one is measuring 10 inches. I have 2 more in the bag. I'm not gonna measure. We all see that my hair is measuring from 10 inches to 11 and a half. So in 30 days, after I apply this peppermint oil and sweet almond oil to my hair, we're gonna see how much my hair grows. Once I'm going into the 12s, then I know that my hair did grow. I'm gonna be applying the oil to my scalp just like that, into the Bantu knots and into the parts. These may be my protective style, but maybe not, because I'm gonna have to throw on my wig. So I'm probably gonna braid it, and then every time I need to measure, I'm gonna do these Bantu knots to help stretch my hair before measuring. And of course, you know I have to get my edges. And I'm just gonna massage that in. So far, I don't feel anything, no tingling sensation. So that's good. I'm not feeling uncomfortable or anything. And that's it. Everyone, this concludes my video. I thank you all for watching. And like I always say, more hair and more love. I will see you for my results in 30 days. Bye.